If you guys are curious how to change your furnace air filter, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do that. As you guys can see, we're up in my attic in my rafters above my second story of my house, and that's where, unfortunately, in a lot of the new homes, they decide they want to put the furnace, so it's really kind of hard to get to. So if you're not sure where your furnace is located, it's going to be in 3 different places. One of them is going to be out in the garage, generally in the garage next to your water heater. 2 is going to be in a closet somewhere in the house, or 3 is going to be upstairs in like the attic. So as far as removal, it's very simple. You're going to see basically this big opening panel here. Got these little like fastener clips that undo. Open this up. Here's our filter. Notice the airflow for ours is going this way. This is where it comes in. Goes through the heater and flows out. So I haven't changed this since last year. I imagine it's pretty dirty. As you guys can see, yeah, it's very dirty. So I only change it once a year. They recommend to change it quite a bit more than that. But you can see the clean side versus the dirty side. So let's go ahead and pop out our new filter. And I ordered a set of these on Amazon. There's 3 of them in a box. They're 25 by 20 by 2. And I think they're around like 35 bucks for 3 of them. So having the ability to do this yourself is going to save you probably about $100 on a service call to have a technician come out, if not more. And it only takes about 5 minutes to do this job yourself. Now if you go to Home Depot or Lowe's, they sell individual filters anywhere from about 25 to 30 bucks. I got these on Amazon, like I said, for like, I think they're 30 or 35 bucks for 3. And it's a good value, and it's easy to swap it out yourself. But let's do a little comparison. So this is the dirty filter. That is the clean filter. That's pretty gross. So let's go ahead and throw this in. Take that one down. Let's go ahead and slide this in. Like I showed you guys, airflow is going to go this way, and basically he's going to slide into this channel. Sorry, the lighting's kind of bad up here. Slides into that channel right there. So here we go, got our airflow going that way, and we are in. So we got a little tape here to create the seal, and that's good for another year. So we'll just refasten it. Well, it's good for another year for me. I only run the heat during the winter where we live for about 4 months a year. So, and during the summer, we don't have central AC, so this filtration doesn't do anything. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This was just a quick, easy little how-to. If you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, let me know what you thought, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.